Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Jema Corey. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We're on the road to 1K subscribers, and so for today's look, it's on how to use very less product. With this kind of look, someone might think like I had all the time doing my makeup. Trust me, like I think for the first time ever, this is the kind of look I've done in a very short time. So stay tuned and let's start it. I've already prepped my skin. I've cleansed, I've toned, I've moisturized. Next, I'm going to primer, and for my primer, I'm using the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I love this primer so much because I love it is so it is not that matte on my face. It blurs my pores so well. Like, it just makes my skin feel that easy, lightweight. I love it. Let me know in the comment section what kind of if you have open pores, what primers do you use? I know I've said before I like starting my makeup with my eyes, but for today I just jump straight to the foundation for the sake of this video. And so for my foundation, I'm using an LA Pro Matte foundation in the shade Caramel. Remember, for any liquid foundation, like, make sure shake it. I've just put it on my palm, behind my palm, and I'm going in with my foundation brush. This was 2 pumps, and I feel like this is okay, it's enough for me. And when you're doing the foundation, don't just go rubbing, like press it in. You can use a beauty blender, whichever that you feel works for you. The power to that flawless look is always blend in, like take as much time as you can to blend in your foundation. And please don't use too much product. Like, if you use too much, it will make your face look that messy and cakey. Just a little wax magic. So next we're going to conceal the under eyes, and I'm using the Canvas Cosmetic Concealer number 4. And for the concealer, don't use too much of it. Like, don't go concealing everywhere. Like, let me just show you how it's supposed to be concealed. Remember, we want to use as less makeup as we can here. Conceal the forehead, my chin area, and the bridge of my nose. And I've really used less product, as you can see, and I'm just going to again press in the concealer. I'm not going to rubbing everywhere, it's just press in. And okay, I've seen a lot of people, pulling the concealer, that part of the face. Okay, it's not necessary, but if you feel like you can, yes, you can. Next, I'm going to use a translucent powder to set in the areas that I've concealed, and I'm using the LA Pro powder. It looks like that. And again, for this case, I'm using the exact concealer brush I used for the concealer. So I just press the the brush inside the translucent powder and we set that look in. So because I tend to sweat a lot, I'll go and set not all over my face, but I'm setting on my oval part of the face. So I'm just pressing the translucent powder in. So next we're going to contour, and for the contour I'm using the LA Pro Face powder in the shade Toffee. I really love contouring because it just lifts your face so well. I remember when you're contouring, you see that part of your ear, you contour coming down. And please use as less product as you can, don't use too much. We also contour the forehead. And contouring your forehead, really, it depends with the size of your forehead. If your forehead is big, like use less contour and contour, brushing or bringing the contour inwards. But if your forehead is small, contour, like taking the contour back, like you pull back. I contour my jawline as well. We are contouring the nose, and I'm using a very small fluffy brush to do that. And then I'll just take that contour and apply it on my eyeshadow area. Like I want my face to look that snatched. It really looks like I took a lot of time doing my eyeshadow, but in real it is just a contour. Look at that. So next we're going to quickly do our eyebrows. I'm using a Davis number 3 eye pencil. Always start by lining your eyebrows before drawing or filling them in. I'm going to use the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, just to make the brows pop. And for this, make sure the concealer is a shade lighter than your skin tone. And for this, I'm using it on the down part of the brows. To line the upper part of the brows, use the exact skin tone foundation as your face. Next, I'm using my Kajal Illegal eyeliner to line my waterline. Like, at least this one just makes your eyes pop, Next, I'm going in to mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express. I would walk like that, you know, with just mascara on. But for the love I have for falsies, I gotta put them on. Next, I'm going in with my LA face powder in the shade Soft Honey to set, you know, the entire face. I'm not touching my middle first. Next, I'm going to my lips. I'm going to line my lips using a Pharmacy lip pencil number 227. I'm going in with my Pharmacy lipstick number 9. Next, we're going to the setting spray, and I'm using LA Pro Matte setting spray. So you shake it, and don't be mean in your setting spray. Okay, give it some seconds to dry. There we are with the final look, you know, with very less product used. You know, your face just looks so snatched. It looks like, you know, you had all the time doing this kind of look. And with this look, you know, it's for the corporate babes, you know, for the babes that, you know, you don't want to do too much makeup. This is all for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section, like, if you tried it and how it was. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye, until next time. Love you.